Hey everyone, welcome. I know I have some new subscribers here, so welcome, and to the old subscribers, welcome back. I am going to give you a walkthrough of the Happy Planner that I'm using for 2019. Now, I'm not going to give you a detailed walkthrough because I did that in my previous planner video where I explained the reasons why I love the Happy Planner. I've been using the Happy Planner for a year and a half now. And I did my research before, and this is the best planner so far for me that I have found. And if you want to take a look at that video to know the reasons why, I'll link it up above and I'll link it in the description box down below. So you can take a look at that after you finish watching this video. Today's video is mainly just a look through, and then I want to show you how I plan with the stamps here, the Recollection stamps that I'm also giving away in that video. I want to show you how I'm going to go ahead and plan with these stamps. These stamps are really great. I can see that they have all the things that I use on a daily or weekly basis, and all the things that I need to include in my planner. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So this planner is the 2019 Happy Planner. This is a vertical planner. It is the same as the planner that I showed in my previous video. So if you want a more detailed look, again, take a look at that video. And I'm just going to now show you what this planner looks like. So right away, this planner, it's not showing up in the picture, but the background is this really nice light baby pink, and the dots here are gold foiled, okay, as well as the writing in the girls' glasses. This planner is more whimsical in nature. They do have other planners that, you know, may be more elegant, but I really do like the pink on this, and so I decided to pick this up. Also, the binding is a gold rim. So let's take a look at the first few pages. You have a nice welcome letter, then your front page where you can place your name. Then you have your 2018 and 2019 layout. So this planner starts from July, and you can see it's a very nice summer layout. As well, you have your dashboard on this side, so you can include your birthdays that are coming up for the month, any monthly goals you may have. I like to write down my bills in this section, so I use it as a bill tracker. Then you have any top events, okay, going on, any holidays, any parties, and then you have your currently section. So currently reading, planning, watching, eating, loving, feeling, listening, celebrating, okay? Every month we'll have that particular dashboard, just the graphics will be different. So next you have your monthly layout, really nice, okay? Then your next pages will have your vertical planning, okay? So I can show you there. So now that you've seen what 1 month looks like, we're gonna go quickly now through the rest of the planner. How I'm going to go about planning with these stamps in case you want to get some ideas on how you can best use these stamps. So right away when I open the stamp set, I can see that there is some holes here for the Recollection planner. Now, if I wanted to, I could possibly modify this to fit into the Happy Planner. I'm not sure that I will do that. I might just make a pocket at the front and leave it in there. It also has a backing on the back, so that way it doesn't stick to anything else. Okay, let's get started planning. Once I'm done using a particular stamp, I like to go ahead right away and clean the stamp with a baby wipe. And I find baby wipes do a really good job of getting the ink off. And I did see this tip from a card maker, another YouTuber who's a card maker. I can't remember her name now, her channel name, but I do remember watching and getting this tip from another channel, and it works really super well. If you guys can see, all of the ink is coming off. Okay, and then I go ahead and remove it from my stamp pad, wipe my stamp pad, and I turn it around and use the other side, just because this side will now be wet. So while that side is drying, I turn it around and use this side. So I didn't show myself doing it, but I used these dumbbell stamps, and I stamped the days that I would be doing my exercise. So I just mounted this onto the block and then stamped away.
And I just want to remind everyone about the giveaway that's going on my channel right now for a Happy Planner and these Recollection stamps. The giveaway does end today at 11:59 p.m. Watch that video for all the details. I'll link it up above in the cards, and I'll link it in the description box down below.
Next, I'm planning when I want to post videos. Next, I'm going to stamp when I need to make calls. Okay, now I'm going to use this speech bubble for any classes that are going on during the week, either for the kids or myself. And as part of my new year, I am starting over with the File Lady system again. Although I do quite a lot of things from her system that I've learned over the years, there are still a few things that I just don't have control over yet. And in 2019, I'd like to master, I guess, this system, if you will. So in her system, laundry's done every day. In my system, in our household, we do laundry every day as well. So this is not anything new. It is a way that we keep on top of our laundry. I'm also going to write when I am going shopping Now I'm going to stamp my water tracker. Now I don't want this to be too dark because I do want to be able to put check marks through it. So I'm going to use this and create my own kind of horizontal stamp. And lastly, I'm going to add a knife and fork for my menu plan. This is my weekly plan and how I'm using the stamps in the stamp set, the Recollections stamp set. There are a lot of stamps that I didn't use. For example, the bill payment ones and the pay date ones. Okay, but there are birthday parties. There's a whole bunch in here. I think this stamp is well worth its money. I did get it at 55% off at Michael's, so I think it made it about $6. I think it's well worth it. I think you can do so much with these stamps, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, seeing how I plan, as well as getting a glimpse of my happy planner in case you were looking for one and you came across this one. You know exactly what it looks like now. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, I do planner videos as well as goal-oriented videos like creating your vision board and the such like that from time to time. So if you want to have inspiration for that, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification tab so that you can be notified the next time I post. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.